Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow notification on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to our notification setting. Go to the settings and then you can select the notification. And if you want to allow notification on your Android mobile phone, make sure you are not activating the do not disturb mode. You can go to the do not disturb, and if you activate the do not disturb, you have to turn it off right here. And then you can go to the app notifications to choose which apps are allowed to send you notification. Here I have allowed all applications to send me notification. Wait, I'm going to activate the TikTok notification and Thread notification as well. And you can customize the app notification right here, guys. Just customize it according to your needs. Then you can go to the advanced settings right here to customize the floating notification. Then you can also choose the notification icons you will show on your screen. Okay. And I guess that's all the way to allow notification on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.